In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Hostinger. Whether you're looking to cut down on expenses or simply don't need the service anymore, I'll guide you through the process step by step, making sure it's as straightforward as possible. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your hPanel account. This is your central hub for managing all things Hostinger, so make sure you've got your login credentials at hand. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Depending on your preferences, the layout might look a bit different from others, but that's okay. The important thing is that you're set to navigate to the right place. Next, you'll want to head over to the Billing section. In hPanel, you'll find this at the top or side menu, depending on the interface customization. Click on Billing, and it'll present you with a couple of options. You might see subscriptions or paid invoices, so go ahead and choose the one that applies. Both paths essentially lead you to the same place where you can view all the services you've subscribed to. Now that you're in the billing area, it's time to pinpoint the exact service you wish to unsubscribe from. This could be a hosting plan, a domain name, or an email service, anything you've paid for through Hostinger. Take your time to scroll through the list, if necessary, to ensure you're selecting the correct service. Once you've identified the service you wish to cancel, you'll notice a little arrow icon next to it. This arrow is your key to making changes to the service, so go ahead and click it. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu from where you'll need to choose the option that says Disable Auto Renew. Selecting this option will disable the automatic renewal of your subscription, effectively canceling it once the current billing cycle has ended. After you've clicked on Disable Auto Renew, the system wants to ensure that this action is intentional, so it will prompt you to confirm your choice. Take a moment to double-check everything to ensure you've selected the correct service to cancel. Once you're certain, confirm your choice, and that's it. The auto renew for that specific service will be disabled. And there you have it. You've successfully unsubscribed from a Hostinger service. Remember, if you ever change your mind or realize later that you need the service again, you can always return to hPanel and reactivate it. This process is beneficial for keeping your subscriptions streamlined and ensuring you're only paying for services you genuinely use. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.